I got the timing belt on. This whole process is taking me hours, seriously hours. But if you look down there, I put a green mark on the thing. It's not even lined up. And then I checked over here, it's off by like one tooth. So needless to say, I'm gonna have to take that stupid timing belt back off and then keep on putting it on until it lines up. Lucky for me, I don't think the crankshaft pulley, lucky for me, I don't think that crankshaft pulley moved at all. So still pretty much the way that I left it. It looks off, but it really isn't off, because I think that the lineup is just right. So anyways, make sure you have your torque thing that's been used and abused so much. This stupid thing's off. So anyways, like I said, this timing belt thing is no joke. I haven't even started it yet. I'm totally afraid to start it, but anyways, I had to take the belt stuff off. Look, you see right there the nut and the washers to compress the tensioner. And at first I used the drill bit because they said, oh, use a drill bit to compress the pin. Once it's compressed, you could put it in there and the pin will shut off. Use the Allen. The freaking drill bit broke. So that's the story so far. So this is a job you could do yourself, but it's complicated and you have to pay attention and make sure you gotta mark your thing, mark your teeth. I marked my teeth and they are off already, so I'm gonna have to readjust it, and hopefully when I compress it or put the tension back on it, it'll be cool. But that's how it looks. So this is it. So this is it. This is it, man. Steampunk. This is my steampunk Jetta that's not running right now. Yes. And my license plate. Like that would help you. Anyways, the real reason for my video is this. Look. See the Allen? And the drill bits on this other side? So you have to compress it. Compress it a little bit, and then I'm going to put the Allen all the way through. This is the tensioner. Well, I put messages on it. Hopefully I won't own this by next year, because I got more ambitious things to do. Let's see if there's enough tension off that tensioner. Yeah, there is. But yeah, they say, see? Now you could rotate the tensioner, get the tension off of it, take it all the way, rotate it off. The belt comes off completely. See? In theory. Ah, poop. Anyway, it's not that easy. I need both hands. That's the new belt. And it's all lined up now. Looks pretty good. And let me show you something. This is the old belt. I was agonizing over all of this stuff. But then I came to the realization, I marked the old belt. So if you do this job, I tell you the truth, you better mark your belt. Look at that. Mark your belt. See that? I marked it. Agonizing for nothing, hourly, and just being in a hurry. It's not worth it. I've had so much trouble doing this belt, but I marked my belt and look at everything's lined up. Oh my gosh, look at, it's beautiful. Now I could tighten it up, torque it, twist it a couple times, torque it really good. And I just want to emphasize, pay attention to what you're doing. I'm actually talking to myself. Oh yeah, by the way, I use styrofoam, but under my oil pan, which is freaking dumb. But one of the videos said to jack up the oil pan, or jack it up from the oil pan, which is what I did. So anyway, this lined up. I'm gonna put that thing back on and put everything back, hopefully do it before dark. But yeah, if you have an engine hoist, you can engine hoist your engine right here, put a chain or hook or something and hold it up with the engine hoist. I hope I didn't do any damage to my car, but probably did. I'm just trying to get my steampunk, precious steampunk mobile running. Just to get me around, get me from point A to point B. Here is what you need to get through your timing belt tensioner compression relief thing. This is a 5M or M5 50. It's a 50, anyways, it's 50 long if you're looking it up. So yeah, this is what I got through with it. If you follow the instructions on your for your service, you could probably find the tool. I believe it's a T10092, but this is my own version of it. And then this Allen wrench, like I said, don't use the drill bit, use this. Super strong. I'm not sure what size this is. It doesn't say on it, but it has to fit the hole to compress the pin of the tensioner. Well, look it happened. I busted a hole in the oil pan. Like I told you, don't use the oil pan to jack it up and down. What a freaking drag. More complications. Oil all over the ground. You got the timing belt off. Off. It's off by